Oh shit, guys, we get an early start to today's video. Not really, it's like 10:30 almost.
It looks
but
early outside.
yeah, it looks like 8 o'clock, but it's not. But we got Master Jr. here. He's just chilling on the floor, and our buddies at Oxbeam, they sent out a light bar, so pretty sick to install.
Colors.
Changes colors. It's an RGB one, so 22 inches. They have them all the way up to like 54, I believe, which is just at that point that's the whole car. So that's pretty big. But 22 inches, pretty sick. We're gonna get to installing this today. I already got Master Jr. taking off his bumper or whatever. I think he might cut that middle part. We might put it down there. Not too sure yet. But regardless, it's gonna be fun. And I believe, yeah, it does change color, so you can flash it from red to blue. So
yeah, it has an app that you can change on your phone.
All right, so we're gonna help Master Jr. today become a felon. And we're gonna pull over some cars after and see how it works.
Flash it back.
Yep. Got those quality halo fog lights down there.
This one doesn't work anymore.
Oh, okay. We got the semi-quality halo fog lights. A bit of some test fit action right here.
That's too low. They could sit right there. I don't know if that'd mess up.
Well, that's a good height.
We can move it up closer then if we're bending it.
No, we can
right
have
there.
it here.
Yeah, so it's flush.
Oh, Bailey got this for Christmas. This thing's sick.
Fix all my problems now.
Damn. Doesn't it have like 300 feet-pounds of torque or whatever?
300 pounds of torque. I think.
Dude, that's more than my car. That's more than a lot of our cars.
That's more than.
But we're gonna go, because of course nothing ever goes without a Lowe's trip here at JSR Cars, so we gotta go to Lowe's. We gotta pick up some stuff, get the light bar mounted. And I believe we're gonna throw it back to the good old days. And I believe we're gonna be ripping this. So this is, OGs of the channel know what this is. It's a 91 Legacy, and we're gonna be ripping it. So this car hasn't been driven in a little while. It starts right up though.
It's been a couple months.
Yeah, a little bit.
Ooh. It'll go away. It'll go away. Reliable.
All reliable.
If you guys want to buy it, DM me.
DM them if you want to buy it.
1100 or best offer.
1100 OBO. Hit them up. Clean title.
Clean title.
It's good to go. Great first car. Great first car.
130,000 miles.
Chop the muffler right off it and it'll sound mean too. Yeah. Oh, just unbolt it. Just give it the good old JSR. Yep.
That never made it on the videos, huh?
I don't think it did. I think you just did it with Robert one day, way back. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he sent you guys a snap on it.
Yeah. Dude, it sounded mean.
Wow.
It sounded like a built WRX or something. I don't know. Oh, the dust from the windows. This thing needs a little bit of a wash.
They got the good
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Ouch. Oh, it has a working sunroof, dude.
Working sunroof.
1300 or
I just went
best
for the
offer
clutch
now.
pedal and it's not there. That's embarrassing.
Oh.
Don't put a dent in my car. I just got the other one.
Yo, does this come with the car when you buy it? Well, if you look under the TC, you see a rare sight. There's a muffler on that thing.
You know what? It sounds better with the muffler.
Oh, it definitely does. It's not like obnoxious.
You spray painted the lugs black?
Oh, they probably got dipped over. No gas. Alright, one thing you may notice when you first purchase the car is the bungee corded sun visors. Not factory, but it works better than factory. Oh, looking like me over here, putting your hand on the auto.
It's a manual.
Bailey will also wash the car too before he gives it to you.
Full detail.
Full detail.
Full detail.
Not a half.
We're making a run to Lowe's right now. It's no cool.
It's running just a little hot. The weird part is
800 or best offer.
Yeah.
I mean, it's keeping again. It's full. Oh, that's really not good. Head gasket needs replacing.
$500 or best offer.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's chunky.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not good.
I can literally feel chunks in that.
That's really not good.
Yeah, it'll be easier to bend too, I guess.
Alright, so we got the stuff to make the brackets. I think we're just gonna risk it and drive it back home. We'll see how this goes.
It's the worst that could happen.
Yeah, no, I think the worst has already happened. Alright, well the car made it home just fine. Like, didn't even overheat at all. So offer is back up to 1100 or best offer. But we're back here, back to the light bar install. Gonna have to make some brackets for it though. We're just gonna mount it in the top grill right here. Came with instructions and stuff for like a bottom mount or a side mount. But we're going
top mount.
We're going custom top mount, so.
Dude, we should just put on your roof, like, fuck everything.
Honestly, just drill into the roof and bolt it in, yep. The Elantra roof racks back from the Elantra GT days.
You wanna open the passenger?
Yeah. Just getting all the mods today. We got part 2.
We can just clean install these.
Oh, just a little along the paint.
Yeah.
I think this part needs to...
It'll tighten up.
Oh, okay. I think it needs to come down more though.
What do you mean, like?
Like it's not below the window. Oh, bonked it, dude. Alright, we got Jeremy trying to figure out this light bar, trying to get all the bolts in and everything. That way we can have it all set up and ready to go on there. Getting the mock-up going for the brackets.
Where do you want it to sit? Like right? I'm good.
Go that way a little bit.
Just kind of those.
Just give it one of those. A little bend.
Kind of bend.
Bailey gave it the perfect amount of cock, and
That is an official term.
alright, first bracket's sort of tucked in there nicely. We're just gonna get a little test fit with just one bracket and see where we have to be on the other side and see how centered it is.
That's centered.
Yeah.
Woo! I did it. Bailey's custom fab. Don't bring your shit here. I don't want to work on it.
Is that like plastic on there?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's just
Gotta remember to take that off.
Leave it there.
That's like something Robert used to do.
That's what Robert
On
does. He
all of
leaves
his
the
shit.
plastic on.
Leaves the tags in the plastic.
Damn.
That's kind of cool.
Looks
I mean,
good.
With the roof racks.
Okay, the roof racks really help you out, dude.
Yeah.
A lot.
This is all reversible too. We're not
Yeah, you're
nothing permanent.
not ruining the car or anything. You're just... Alright guys, just getting a little test here. It's changing colors, which is good.
How do you turn on the other lights? Oh, there we
Whoa,
go.
that's
Wow.
bright. Wow.
Right.
Okay.
This is the party mode, dude.
Oh
It's so
shit,
good.
it's party.
Woo, it's a party, dude. All right, and it turns it on and off.
Oh.
Nice.
Turn it off.
It comes with a whole wiring harness and everything too. I guess it's better you have extra wire than not enough, so that's why they made the wiring so long. Comes with this cool remote here though. You can use it
Oh,
to
yeah, we gotta see if the phone one works.
on off and then...
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, brackets are nice and situated. Plastic's peeled off, this looks a lot better. It's a little bit of a pain, but they ran the wires through the fender.
All right, pull your car in the garage.
Just like the fog light. We're gonna pull the car in the garage and we're gonna see how it looks in this little darker environment. You'll be able to see it just a little bit better, so.
I think it looks a little more aggressive.
If you sort of just like out of focus your eyes, it looks like an
awesome.
Audi wagon kind of.
It does. Just at a first glance.
Yeah.
This kid, man. Why do I do anything for him? Like this. Oh my god.
Oh man.
I did that at the bank ATM yesterday.
You just did it yesterday and you did
Yeah.
it again?
That's
No
embarrassing.
wonder it won't start.
Oh man. It's got it on the party mode. Oh, that's bright as hell.
Oh.
That is so bright.
It makes your normal headlights look so yellow.
Yeah. Even the little Oxbeam logo lights up. Well, shout out to Oxbeam for hooking it up on this light bar. If you guys want to go buy the same one, check out their website. There'll be a link down below. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Changes colors. So there's a phone app and you can change the colors on there, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see about that.
Oh,
does it work?
Oh, it actually works.
Oh, wait, let me. Yeah. You can like do your own.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, that is so illegal.
Sir?
Oh my god. Dude.
Damn.
That is okay.
Thank you, Oxbeam.
Thank you, Oxbeam, for hooking it up. Making Jeremy's Christmas just right. So,
Yeah.
looks sick, but definitely don't want to use that on the road, otherwise you will get into some felony trouble. But it's sick. I don't know. Maybe if you pull up behind Robert at night and give him a good old spook.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's got to be done.
it's gonna be done. Wow.
Damn. But there you guys have it. Light bar installed. And yes, it does switch back from blue to red with the phone app. So, alright. We'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you all enjoyed.